all pangs in this video in my Instagram. Link in description, please check out. Open CapCut. Select new project. Select background. Click format. Click 16:9. Adjust video. Extract audio. Adjust video and audio equally. Click match cut. Marking beat. Click right. Add overlay. Make project and overlay equally. Click chroma key. Color picker green. Intensity 100%. Shadow also 100%. Adjust overlay. Click overlay, select another overlay. Click chroma key. Color picker green. Intensity 100%. Shadow 100%. Adjust swing. Add keyframing like this. Click wing overlay. Click layer. Click 1. Again click overlay. Select this overlay. Adjust overlay. Click splice. Select darken. Click layer. Click 1. Click effect. Click video effect. Select retro. Choose nostalgic elect. Click adjust. Intensity 30. Filter 0. Range 30. Adjust effect. Again select effect, click. Click video effect. Choose party. Choose throb. Click adjust. Glow 30. Intensity 10. Filter 0. Range also 10. Adjust filter. Then exporting video. Selecting exporting video. Mute audio. Click extracted. Ray audio the video. Click match cut. Mark beat. Cut video with beat mark. Click animation. Choose combo. Select bounce 1. Click again animation. Click combo. Choose again bounce 1. Click animation. Click combo. Choose bounce 1. Click overlay. Select white overlay. Adjust overlay. Click Effect. Choose Basic. Choose Shape. Click Adjustment. Speed 20. Intensity also 20. Adjust Effect. Click White Overlay. Click Splice. Click Overlay. Click another white overlay. Again click Overlay. Then exporting video. Open KineMaster. Choose 16.9. Select last exporting clip. Mark center beat point. Click Trim. Split from beat point. Choose first clip. On Vignette button. Go to Adjustment. Saturation 100. Vibrance also 100. Hue 150. Save video. Create saving clip again. Click Layer. Click Media. Choose CapCut exporting clip. Click Split Screen, choose Full Screen. Click Mixer. Mute volume. Click Chroma key. Click Enable. The color of video automatically change. Tutorial is complete. Then save your video. Thanks for watching.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.